This is a bottomless sea area. If a bridge is built on the sea surface in the traditional way, the piers can easily be washed away, so you cleverly thought of constructing a giant pier on the seabed. You brought in many large steel sheet piles and embedded them one by one into the seabed to form an enclosing structure, which is called a cofferdam. However, the gaps between the large steel sheets are too big and seawater will gush out. So you build another layer of such a structure inside the cofferdam, which is called the inner lining cofferdam. You pour high-density concrete between the two layers of the cofferdam, and when it is completely dry, it forms a high-density barrier. Once the water in the middle is removed, the bridge pier can be pulled. However, this structure has a fatal problem. It is hollow inside, and the external pressure is too great, causing the cofferdam to collapse instantly. So, you installed many layers of steel support frames inside the cofferdam in advance, like human reefs, to support the overall stability. This way, during the water extraction process, the pier won't collapse. But seawater is not fixed, it will invade from below the cofferdam. So, you cleverly thought of pouring a thick layer of high-density concrete inside the cofferdam to ensure it remains dry. Subsequently, you use steel bars to create the basic shape of the bridge pier inside the cofferdam and seal the surroundings with formwork, finally pouring concrete to construct a solid bridge pier. However, when the seawater exceeds a certain depth, implementing the cofferdam method becomes extremely challenging. But this doesn't stump your cobra mind. You prefabricate bridge piers with internal spaces on them. Once the pier settles into position, you pour concrete, and an indestructible pier is completed.